today. Then equation for phase difference between 2 points using wavelength and distance. Okay, here we try to obtain equation for phase difference between 2 points. Okay, then this is the displacement versus distance graph of certain wave. Here I consider a point O and the point B, sorry, point P, point O and the P. Then the distance between 2 points O and P, that is X. O and P that is equal to delta phi. Then here distance between O and P is X. Then we have to divide it by the wavelength of the wave. Then wavelength mean what's it?
Full circle.
Yes, distance
full
of
cycle.
one cycle. Distance of one cycle.
Right.
Then here we have to divide this X. X mean distance between O and P by lambda. Lambda mean wavelength. And we multiply, and we have to multiply by 360. Then we can obtain the phase difference between O and P in degree, right?
Oh, okay.
If we want to obtain the phase difference in radian, then we have to divide by, then we have to multiply by
2 pi.
2 phi. Yes, good. 2 phi.
Yes, okay.
And these are the equation to obtain the phase difference between 2 points using wavelength, right?
Right, yes, sir.
Find the phase difference between A and B. Okay, then here wavelength mean 8 centimeter. Then what's the distance between A and B? 6 plus 3, right? 9.
Yes, 9.
Yes. Then phase difference between A and B, delta phi, that is
9 divided by 8.
9 divided by 8 into
times 2 pi.
2 phi, yes.
Okay.
That is equal to 9 phi over 4, right?
Oh, yeah, we can see that.
We can find in degree also. Then
Yeah.
what's the value in degree? 908 into 360. Next, what is the phase difference between 2 points along a wave separated by distance of 3.5 lambda? Okay, then phase difference delta phi. Then here distance x mean that is 3.5 lambda, right? 3.5 lambda over lambda into 2.5. Then it is 3.5 into 2.5. It should be equal to 7.5. We can find in degree also. 3.5 lambda over lambda into 360. Then 3.5 into 360.
Yes, sir.
Next equation for phase difference between 2 points using time period, right? Here we have to use time period before we use wavelength, right?
Yeah.
This is the wave format or graph between displacement versus time of certain wave. The time period capital T and the time between O and P is simple T. Then we can write the phase difference between O and P. That should be equal to simple T over capital T into 2 phi. That is in red. Then we can write the in degree also simple T over capital T into 360. That is in degree. Next, then we already know phase mean what is. Phase describe the current position of vibration of a particle, right?
Yeah.
And phase difference mean what's it? Phase difference tells how much one particle is ahead or behind another in the vibration.
Oh, okay.
You get that?
Yes, sir.